Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! In this grammar video, we will look at how to ask how questions like these. How do you say this in Chinese? How do you read this character? Is it useful to be able to ask how people do something? Yeah. For example, if you go to China, you want to ask for directions, right? You want to know, how do you go there? How do you do this? How do you do that? Right? There are a lot of things you need to ask in China. So today we're going to look at how do you ask how. Let's turn our textbook to page 42 and take a look at grammar point number 3. Simply put, the word how can be expressed with the word 怎么 in Chinese. 怎么 okay. For example, how do you say this? 这个怎么说 right? So 怎么 has to be followed by a verb, just like in English, right? How do you say 怎么说这个怎么说 How do you say this in Chinese? 这个汉语怎么说 This Chinese how say, right? 这个汉语怎么说这个汉语怎么说 How do you read this? 这个怎么读 Again, it's just 怎么 plus a verb. 怎么说怎么读 right? 这个怎么读 How do you read this character? 这个汉字怎么读 This character, how do you read? 这个汉字怎么读 How do you write your Chinese name? 你的汉语名字怎么写你的汉语名字怎么写 How do you write the character 菜 as in dish? 菜这个字怎么写菜这个字怎么写 See how useful this is? Right, you can ask people how to write Chinese characters, right? Alright, time for a quick practice. How do you say this in Chinese? 这个汉语怎么说 Very good. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.